Hello, quiz masters. Welcome for another fun quiz. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this to your friends. Let's play. According to Isaiah, which bird honors God for providing streams in the desert? The face of which bird appeared in the Ezekiel's vision of the creatures with four faces? Who had a vision of a lion with the wings of an eagle? According to Job, which foolish bird lays its eggs on the ground, left to be warmed by the sun? Who had a vision of a great sheet filled with unclean birds and other animals? According to John, which city will become a home for every unclean bird? Which bird was being sold in the temple when Jesus drove out the money changers? Who had a dream about birds eating from a basket on his head? Which prophet said that Ahab's people would be eaten by birds? Which bird's song in the Song of Solomon is a sign of spring? Who said that he had become a companion of owls? On which day of creation did God create birds? Which Babylonian king had a dream about a tree where every bird found shelter? What two birds did Abram sacrifice to God? As what bird did the Holy Spirit appear at the baptism of Jesus? Who had a vision of two women with stork wings? Proverbs says that anyone who scorns his parents will have his eyes picked out by which type of bird? Which king described his situation as like a crane or a swallow? So did I chatter. I did mourn as a dove. What type of bird did Solomon import? What birds did God provide for the children of Israel to eat during their exodus from Egypt? How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Thank you for playing with us.